Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing to you how you can remove the background noise or your PC background noise while you're doing a screen recording. Now, I always use Camstacia when I'm doing screen recording, and I don't really like, or I'm not really a fan of using this noise removal because it's also compromised the quality of your voice. So I'm glad that I was able to find a workaround. What I did is at first is I tried to install it in via broadcast, but unfortunately my GeForce is not it's old enough to support NVIDIA broadcast, so I find another workaround. I found this application. It's called hold on. So it's called this one. It's SteelSeries.com. You can just install it straight away. It's free. There's no threshold of ours for you to use it. And then just simply download that and you should able to see this mixer in here. So what I did in the mic section is I enabled, like actually there is automatic enabled the equalizer and the AI noise cancellation. You don't need to pay anything for accessing this. You can also use the manual way if you don't want the AI, which kudos for you, Gigi. Thanks for creating this application. And then what I did in my microphone is I connected the mixer. By the way, I'm using this Razer Serene V3 Mini. It's only $92 and it can do the work. Before I was using, oh, I already threw it, but I was using a Blue Yeti and it's so bulky and I mean, like, I really like the slick aesthetic of it, and I think I can probably use it when and on my other, if I'm traveling or I'm with my laptop. Now, what I did is for you to make this mixer, this GG mixer work, you need to also connect the mixer. So it really depends on your microphone. Again, I use Serene and then I install the Stream mixer and then connected it. And then when I am doing recording, make sure that you pick, so there's an option, you will definitely see another options on top of your primary microphone, so select that one. So it should be named as this one, a SteelSeries. And if you like what you are seeing right now or what you are hearing right now, feel free to follow along with like try to download this application completely free. And yeah, so far it's satisfied my need, and I think I won't be gonna be upgrading any gadgets or accessories because this can already do the work.